This is the Arteck ARTECK. Model number is HB030B as in Bravo. And this is the universal backlit Bluetooth keyboard. Bought it off of Amazon. It's $19.99 with Prime shipping. This is the certified frustration-free packaging. And on the back here, you can go ahead and I'll just hold it still if you want to pause it and read it for yourself. But this is a universal Bluetooth keyboard. I bought it for my laptop. I have it situated, whereas getting to the keys on the keyboard is annoying. Plus I got a bad back. Anyways, this lights up. It's slim. It's portable. I didn't want a full-size keyboard. This has, you can choose from seven colors for the backlit, and it's universal, so you can use it on different systems. So let's go ahead and open it up. This one's black. I can't remember. I think they had one in silver. I'll go ahead and leave the description down at the bottom so you can get. I think I had an option black and silver. I went with black. So here's the USB connector. Let's go ahead and place that aside. Don't need that either. So before we get to the main event, let's see what's in here. Good. Bad. Okay, it's probably just what to do if you're happy or not happy. Put that aside. Here's the user manual. You can see the colors. There's 3 of the 7 colors you can choose from. I'm going to choose red. That's my favorite color. But it basically tells you a welcome statement, product specifications, and how to connect it, getting started, status light, function keys. Then on the back, safety caution, and then the rest is in Chinese. All right, put that aside. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Lightweight. So it's about 9 5/8 long. And roughly 5 7/8. That's what it looks like, 5 7/8 wide. And then you can see the thickness. My goodness, do I really have to measure this? Right where the port is, let's measure that. 1/4, a little under 1/4. So let's go ahead and see how easy it is to connect to my Dell computer, to my Dell laptop. Let's go ahead and press connect. Okay, status is blinking blue. So let's see if, okay, there it goes. Keyboard's connecting. Keyboard connected. What? Just got the alert, setting up device. We're setting up Bluetooth peripherals. Done. Seeing if there's any lag. There you go. I'm going on Facebook. Oops, bumping the screen. So yeah, that's it. It works. Just trying to figure this out. If you hit the O at the corner, on the corner of the key, it kind of sticks a little bit. So maybe because it's new, I don't know. I don't know if you could hear that, but the I kind of rough. All the other keys seem fine. But yeah, that O kind of sticks a little bit. And the I, you can kind of hear it. So something to think about, but I just wanted to clarify that. But it beats. I got a bad back. I've had multiple surgeries, so doing this after a while doesn't help my back much. And that's a touch screen too. So now I can just sit back here in my office chair, you know, and do right here, and there's no more reaching forward or having to use this. So maybe you know, being that it's brand new, it needs to be worn in a little bit. get the rough, there's a rough spot on that O in the I, right when you hit the corner. So keep that in mind if you decide to buy it. I'll have the link down below in the descriptions. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please give me a like. I'd appreciate it. If you've seen my other videos, I've said it a million times. I'm new at this. I don't even have high-speed internet. This is all done through T-Mobile cellular data. So I'd appreciate the likes. I'm learning as I go. You guys have a good day. Peace. Bye-bye.